Hello guys, in this video we will see how to switch from one keyspace to another keyspace in Apache Cassandra. We can do that by using use statement in Apache Cassandra. Syntax is use then keyspace name. Let's connect to Apache Cassandra. CQLSH. See, I have connected to test cluster. First verify list of the keyspaces. See, I have this many keyspaces, but out of these 6 keyspaces, only this is the user keyspace. Let's create a keyspace. Create keyspace test with replication and replication factor one, then close the statement we have created. Let's verify. See, I have added another keyspace. So there are 2 user keyspaces. First, switch to R2 schools. Simply run use then keyspace name. Here keyspace name is R2 schools. See, we have switched to R2 school. If we create any table like create table or view or anything, those will be in the current keyspace. Suppose if you want to create a table in test1, then you need to change to test1. Now if we create an object, that will be stored in test1 keyspace. So in this video we have seen how to switch from current keyspace to specific keyspace. For more Apache Cassandra videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.